Well, Tesla shares doing what they usually do. They're on the rise this morning. The company posting record deliveries in 2020, above what analysts were forecasting, although just shy of Elon Musk's target of 500,000 cars. The stock was last year's best performer on the S&P, of course. It was up over 700%. Its market value is approaching $700 billion.
Tesla stock was impressive during 2020. A lot of people made a lot of money.
I've invested $10,000 and today it's worth, I think, about $1 million, give or take a couple $100,000 depending on the day. And, it's really only just beginning.
And a lot of people lost a lot of money too. And by lost a lot of money, I mean $38 billion. And while a lot of people are confident Tesla is going to the moon, others are still bearish. One thing that's for sure is Tesla stock does raise a lot of passion.
If you short Tesla stock in 2021, you are an actual moron. As Chamath Palihapitiya recently said, how many times do you need to get your face ripped off before you realize you're just an idiot?
In this video, I want to explain 3 reasons why you should own Tesla stock for the next 5 to 15 years, regardless of what might happen short term. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. You should do your own research and make investment decisions based on your own due diligence. Now, let's get right into this video. But before we begin, if you want to make money in the stock market, do yourself a favor and make sure to subscribe to our channel, because people have been making money. And if you would like to support us, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps us a lot. Now, without further ado, let's talk Tesla stock. The first reason why you should hold Tesla stock long-term is that electric vehicles are the future. You might think that the future with only electric vehicles is far, but more than 14 countries and over 20 cities around the world have proposed banning the sale of passenger vehicles powered by fossil fuels, such as petrol, liquefied petroleum gas, and diesel at some time in the future. In simpler words, gas vehicles. For example, California, where Governor Newsom wants to ban gas vehicles by 2035.
That's why we're moving forward to require a mandate that 100% of the vehicles in the state of California in 15 years, 100% have to be zero-emission vehicles.
14 years might sound like a lot, but some countries like Belgium are planning to start as early as 2026. That's just 5 years from now. At this point, the transition to electric vehicle is not a dream, delusion, nor something that's just probable. The transition is inevitable. Other automakers have to adapt or die. And if there's an industry that's growing rapidly all around the world, with governments passing bills that make the growth faster and even compulsory, investing in the top player on the industry sounds like a great idea. But hey, I could be wrong. You might argue that there are other electric vehicle manufacturers all around the world, many of which are startups and many of which are big established brands like Ford, Kia, Volkswagen, Jaguar, Audi, BMW, Hyundai, Honda. And I think you get the point. Every car manufacturer has an electric vehicle nowadays, which leads us to the next reason you should buy Tesla. Although the leading car manufacturers in the world are playing catch-up with Tesla, Tesla is years ahead of the competition. Many of Tesla's competitors are still living in an era where a customer purchases a vehicle once, and the only thing the manufacturer does is deal with warranty and recalls. On the other hand, with the initial introduction of centralized computing platforms based on NVIDIA, Tesla has effectively built a software-defined vehicle that is a constantly living and breathing platform, evolving with the needs of users and Tesla's roadmap over time. Car manufacturers are scrambling to respond to Tesla. They have been for quite some time. Some are partnering with companies like Waymo, while others are buying their own autonomous solutions like Argo.ai and Cruise. However, many of these companies still do not have access to the same hardware, software, and chips that Tesla does. In my view, the traditional automakers are ill-prepared to compete in today's software-centered world. Unlike Tesla, they are big, bureaucratic, slow to respond to customers, dependent on providing customer financing for unit sales growth, and culturally different from a software company. And they know it. The chairman of Volkswagen, still reeling from its auto emission scandal, declared Tesla a serious competitor. The biggest challenge leading automakers face is that they lack the expertise required to compete in the age of the software car. Tesla and Elon Musk have turned the more than a century-old industry upside down in a mere 16 years. Tesla's battery-powered vehicles are significantly simpler than their internal combustion competitors. By some estimates, they have significantly fewer parts per vehicle, around 20, versus the 2,000 in internal combustion engines. This simplicity dramatically reduces the consumer's total cost of ownership. Tesla has recently acquired battery manufacturing companies and will incorporate new kinds of battery-related technologies into its vehicles, which could further reduce cost of ownership. Here's Kathy Wood, who manages ARK, 2020's best-performing ETF, talking about Tesla's competitors.
As Tesla killers entered the market last year, we expected Tesla's market share to go down from 17% globally, that includes China, to something lower. Instead, it went up to 18%. And the reason it
17% in electric vehicles or in all vehicles?
No, electric vehicles.
Electric vehicles.
This is global. There are many electric vehicle manufacturers in China. Very low quality, but very. So what we're learning is Tesla is just so far ahead of the pack. And I'm talking about the BMWs, the Mercedes, as far as range and other important metrics when it comes to electric vehicles. Their battery cost is 3 to 4 years ahead of any other auto manufacturer in terms of the cost declines. And so every other auto manufacturer will, if they want to be competitive with Tesla, and I'm including BMW and Daimler and all, if they want to be competitive, like for like, they will have to sell their cars at a loss. At the same time, they're losing their internal combustion engine business. So they have a big problem.
Now, on to my next point. Tesla isn't only a car company. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. To create an entire sustainable energy ecosystem, Tesla also manufactures a unique set of energy solutions: Powerwall, PowerPack, and Solar Roof, enabling homeowners, businesses, and utilities to manage renewable energy generation, storage, and consumption. Oh, and of course, the coolest tequila in the market. Tesla is clearly an automaker, but it is also clearly a tech company. What makes Tesla a tech company, you ask? Tesla is creating software, a lot of software. Software is at the essence of Tesla's unique infotainment system, user experience, and autonomous driving features. Tesla has implemented over-the-air updates for years, while other automakers are just about to try this. Tesla vehicles have operating systems designed and constantly improved by Tesla staff. Nokia and BlackBerry had software, yet the iPhone was a balanced integration of both software and hardware. And this is why it overtook the mobile phone industry and changed how we use our phones today. Tesla is doing this for the auto industry. Yes, Teslas are cars. However, these vehicles integrate software for our day-to-day use that was developed in-house at Tesla or integrated into Tesla's system. Tesla has added entertainment options such as tracks, karaoke,
Forget me, I'll remember you say.
and various games for use while you are parked, and maybe someday while in transit. Sentry Mode is a security system that integrates Tesla's hardware and software, and has helped police solve crimes such as vandalism. The key for your Tesla is your phone. You can summon your Tesla to you with your phone. And with Tesla's exclusive Sentry Mode feature, the car will alert your phone if there's a major incident. Tesla's insurance will also be an extension of the tech side, since Tesla will be leveraging the data it has collected on the actual behavior of Tesla drivers. Data collection is a big part of tech, particularly when it's direct like this, not done through market research surveys. So those are my 3 reasons everyone should own Tesla stock for the next 5 to 20 years. Do you own Tesla stock? Let us know down below in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed or learned something from this video, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's free and it really helps us a lot. And if you like making money on the stock market, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.